Introduce myself as well. Then we will start our main lesson. Please, one by one, introduce yourself. Yeah, please.
Yes, please.
Okay, hello to everyone. I hope all you're doing well. I'm Taiba Amini from Afghanistan. I live in John Province.
Okay, nice to meet you. Who is next? Yeah, please unmute yourself and introduce yourself.
Yes, John. Please go ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepa Khalil and I live in Mazar Sharif, Afghanistan.
Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah, please.
Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Jawad Sultani. A trainer in aviation. Also, I'm a student in American University of Afghanistan. I'm also living in Kabul, and I'm happy to join the session and learn something new. Thanks for having me here.
MashaAllah, thank you. Nice to meet you. And yeah, please, who is next? Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're doing great. This is Arif Sharifi, all I graduated from high school. Currently, I have many collaborations with different organizations. I'm a program manager at the Fledgling organization, English instructor at Japona, and here I'm a math teacher. And yeah, I'm also happy to join, and thank you for having me.
Okay. Walaikum salam. Nice to meet you, Nagis. Who is next? Yeah, please.
Please, John. Yeah, hello to all. My name is Diane. I'm really excited to be here with you all. Thank you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes, Sadaf John, please go ahead. Hello everyone. I'm here to learn, and my name is Sadaf. I live in Massachusetts, and I'm glad I could be in this class. Thank you.
Okay, nice to meet you, Sadaf. Who is next, guys? Please introduce yourself.
Najan, do you want to go next? Now, Hakimi.
Hello everyone. Do you have my voice?
Yes.
Okay, good. I hope you're doing well. My name is Hannah. My last name is Hakimi. I'm from Afghanistan, Kabul city. I graduated from school in 2021. After that, I get a full scholarship in Bayan University in field of law. I cannot continue my university.
Okay, nice to meet you, Hannah. Who is next? Please introduce yourself, guys. It is important to know each other.
Yes, Khadija John, do you want to introduce yourself? Or maybe, yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Khadija Rasuli. I live in Kabul, and that's it.
Okay, Khadija, nice to meet you. I think it is internet issue. Okay, who is next, guys? Please introduce yourself.
I think there was one John and Wasima John on left. Please, guys, introduce yourself.
Okay, there. So Let me introduce myself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please. Yeah, that's one.
How are you?
Yeah.
I'm going to in the healthy in I'm graduate from high school.
Okay, nice to meet you, Rajwana. Yeah, Wasima, please continue. Can you hear me, Wasima? I think this is an internet issue.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah.
Yes, you can introduce yourself in the chat.
Okay, I think that one is done. So let me introduce myself. Let me share my screen first of all. Okay, guys, do you have my screen? Morsal, everyone, do you have my screen? Okay, thanks for your response, guys.
Yes.
So first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Arif Islam. So Arifremal is my branding name. So I am from Bangladesh. I am a WordPress and graphic designer. I work for some organization, which is Afghanistan Open University and also FAMSTED. And this is now another organization, which is Afghan Youth Edureach. So I have started my career as a graphic designer. Then I have converted myself into web development sector. So I have started my career as a graphic designer manager at Shostik Realty. Then next level is sports management. Then perfect web solution. And currently I'm working as a UI UX designer at Bhasha, so which is in Bangladesh. And I am also a freelancer. I work on Fiverr, Upwork, and I also have some offline clients as well. And let me show you some of my works in WordPress sector. So this is some of my portfolio. This is a website Make Me Monetize, which is for one of my Indian client. Sorry, one of my Pakistani client. So in 2021, I started my professional career in this sector with this website. And this is another website, Reduce Care, which is based in Australia. This is another website, Nublo, which is in which was one of my client for US client. And this is another agency, which is Cool Media Marketing Agency. If you search Cool Media Marketing on Google, you will see this website. So I also work as a web developer in this at this agency currently. Okay, so let me show you some of my graphic design works. So NLSM, next level is post management. I do lots of poster, Facebook, Instagram poster for this agency. As you can see here, there are some poster, and don't worry about it. Inshallah, if we complete the course, we will also able to do this type of thing. So don't worry about it. Inshallah, one day we will also do this poster. This is the thing, and this is another perfect web solution. And I'm also currently working for this agency as a part-time web developer. And as I already told you guys, I am a freelancer. So as a freelancer, I work for several organizations, so several companies, such as the Liverpool Network, Perfect Web Solution, Bhasha, and Cool Media Marketing. So if you want to be a freelancer, you have the opportunity to work for several companies. So you can earn lots of money. So yeah, this is the thing. Some poster design for Perfect Web Solution, which is the thing, and the Bhasha, the last one, which is I work as a UI UX designer. This is some of poster design for this one. Okay, this is my thing about me. So okay, so let's talk about our lesson topics. Today's lesson topics. We'll talk about our course module, which is most important, and we also maybe we will also talk about the basic overview of Adobe Photoshop, and the last section, which is question and answer. You can if you have any question, you can ask me on the last lesson. So yeah. Okay, the first thing is about the course. The course duration would be 3 months, and maybe there would be 12 classes. It depends on our course. Maybe sometime maybe it would be 50 class. Maybe sometime I will get sick and there will be some internet issue. So this is somehow maybe if there is in class cancel, we will take in the next week. Okay, and maybe the maximum thing, the main goal is 12 class. It will increase and decrease depends on situation, guys. And the class is 1 day in a week, which is Thursday, today, and class time is 8 p.m., which is Afghanistan time, and you will get the link in WhatsApp group, the class link that you already have for today. So you will get the class link before 10 minutes, I think. Okay. Okay. The thing is, guys, if you complete the course, you will get the certificate of course from Afghanistan Edu Rate. So in that case, there should be some criteria. If you fill up the criteria, you will get that certificate. The criteria is assignment. I will assign assignment after every lesson, and the assignment mark is 10 marks. And of course, attendance. And for each lesson, you will get an email about your attendance. You just need to open the email and you just need to click this yes, I am in, and that's it. You will get 10 marks, and there will be final exam. Okay. Which is after the maybe after complete Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, you will get once you are confident in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, maybe after 10 class, there would be a final exam, 10 or 12. This is not sure, but there would be a final exam which is 80 marks, and on that exam you will get 30 marks from MCQ and questions, and 50 marks about design. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, everyone? The criteria, this is important, and I am straightforward. Okay, I am always straightforward. So this must be clear for all of you, because if you are not with the criteria, you won't get the certificate, and you know how much important a certificate for your life. So yeah, this is the main criteria. Okay, and you must score 80% on the final exam to get the certificate. This is another important thing. On the final exam, that means 80 marks exam, you must obtain 80%. Okay. Guys, can you hear me? Sorry.
Yes. Actually, I have your voice.
What is wrong with Fahima? I think this is
Fahima,
Sorry,
can you-
teacher. Sorry, teacher. I connect with my laptop. For that, your voice is really weak for me.
I think this is your laptop issue, Fahima. Okay, so remember that, guys, you must attend everyday class and you must submit the assignment on time. Okay, this is the thing, the criteria. So yeah, let's move forward to the next topic, which is softwares. So there are lots of software for designing sector, which one? Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Corel, and Figma as well, Adobe Excel, lots of things. So in that course, we're going to learn only Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Because if you have proper idea, basic idea about Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, you can work with any software like Canva. So guys, I hope that everyone have idea about Canva. So Canva have layers option, layers functionality, and text, rectangles, and lots of things. This is from Adobe Photoshop. So in this course, and I always focus on our student to learn the basic of any software. If you have the idea about the basic of any software, you can do any critical design. So in that course, I am going to teach you guys the basic of Photoshop, the basic of Illustrator. There are some tools, there are some functionalities. So I will talk about the layers option and pen tool, rectangle tool, and lots of things. In that course, we are going to learn this thing. Because if you have proper idea about basic, we can do anything, which is the main thing. And first of all, guys, you must install Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. For now, you can install Adobe Photoshop, because almost I think we will complete Adobe Photoshop the basic. I will repeat the basic within 6 class, I think. After 6 class, maybe we will convert ourselves into Adobe Illustrator. Then after maybe after 10 class, we will do some combined class, which is Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. We will do some project, some design, some flyer design, some poster design in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator at a time, so that you will get idea what is the difference between Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, for now, just install Adobe Photoshop according to your laptop requirements. Maybe someone have Core i3 laptop, someone have Core i5. So in that case, you can install Adobe Photoshop 2021 or Adobe Photoshop 2020. So it depends on your computer requirements. For me, I am using Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, and don't worry about the version. Okay, there will be some difference between the version 2021 2022, but the main thing is you will get the almost same tools, almost same setting. So don't worry about the version. If you have Core i3 laptop, if you have Core i5 laptop, just install Adobe Photoshop and start work with me. This is the thing. Is it clear, guys? The software. And I will share a video that how you can install Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Okay. If anyone have a Mac OS, please text me. I will share you the video for the Mac user. And if you do not, and if you are facing issue with installing Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, you can leave a message on our WhatsApp group. If I have time, I will connect with you on Meet and I will solve your issue. But you must fix the issue within the next week, because from the next week we will start our main course. So this is the orientation class. Okay, you must install Adobe Photoshop within the last week. Okay, from the next week. Okay, this is the main thing. Adobe Photoshop is important for now, and whenever we start Adobe Illustrator class, you can download and install Adobe Illustrator. Okay. And on the graphics design, let's talk about some design, some basic thing, which is business card. I think guys you have idea about that, about the business card. You will see this is a business card. Okay, they are using some rectangles, some tools. Don't worry about it. We will learn how we can design a business card. Okay, and flyer design. If I search flyer, this is the flyer. Maybe we'll do some flyers as well on our class after completing the basic tools. Poster that I have already checked on my portfolio that I did for my company. Not the size, I need poster design. Okay, this is a poster. As you can see here, this is poster. And web design, logo design, graphics, social media graphics, logo design, ID card, UI UX, calendar, and so lots of things you can do on Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. The design software depends on the design. If you are doing any design for the web purpose, let's say for the poster design, I want to publish the poster on my social media. In that case, you can use Adobe Photoshop. So let's say I want to print my poster on for my company, so which is for printing purpose. In that case, you can use Adobe Illustrator. So don't worry about that. I will discuss briefly in our class the difference between Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. And yeah, that's it. So the course overview, which is important, the course module. So on Adobe Photoshop, we will discuss about the interface overview, top menu bar, rectangle, quick selection tools, patch tools, clone stamp tools, a layer panel, pen tool, text tool, and after that maybe we will create some banner design, flyer design, poster design. This is the thing, the module. And for Adobe Illustrator, again we will discuss the the interface of Adobe Illustrator, top menu bar, there are some tools with the scale tool, width tool, blend tool, gradient tool, and so on. We'll discuss about it. And after that, we'll design some logo, editor, t-shirt, calendar, and so on. If we have time, maybe we'll do some book cover design and brochure design as well. So this is a thing, and you guys, once you complete Adobe Photoshop, then it will be easy us to understand Adobe Illustrator because both are almost same. Okay, this is the thing. This is the course overview. Okay, guys, and yeah, I have my okay. The important thing is recorded lesson. So you will get a recorded video on my YouTube channel if you go to YouTube and search Arif Remal. Okay, Arif Remal. So this is my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I have already uploaded some of my lessons. So you just need to go here, and once you complete the class, you will get the recorded lesson within 2 days. Okay, this is the thing. So you will get recorded lesson. But guys, I would highly recommend you to join the class because there is attendance mark. Okay, so you must join the class every day, and you must complete my assignment on Google Classroom. I hope guys everyone already joined the Google Classroom. If you are not joined yet, please go to our group and click the link, classroom link, then join the classroom. Sorry. LinkedIn, if you want to join with me on LinkedIn, you can join. If you want to join with me on Facebook, you can join with me, and my Instagram link as well. And thank you guys. Now this is all about me and the course. Guys, if you have any question, you can ask me. Any question, guys, about the course, about me, anything? Okay, that's great. Okay, I think, okay, guys. So I think we have time. So let me open my Adobe Photoshop software. Then let's see some basic overview of Adobe Photoshop. Okay, as you can see, guys, do you have my screen, guys? Are you able to see this overview Photoshop? Okay, that's nice. And thank you guys for your response. It is important for me. Yeah. So yeah, this is the Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. I use 2021 Adobe Photoshop version. Maybe if you are using the same version, maybe it would be same the overview. For me, there are lots of project which I worked. For you, maybe it would be there is nothing, something like that. Okay, this is the Photoshop overview. Okay, so if you want to open your old project, you just need to click here. Then you can open any image, any old project. Okay, from open button. And if you want to create a new one, you just need to create new file. Once you create new file, so you will see this type of pop-up. Okay, the first thing is you will see some preset, okay, which is already made in Adobe Photoshop. Let's say, as I told you, let's say if you want to design something for printing purpose, you will see some template according to printing purpose. And a website, you will also say some pre-made template. Okay, for the mobile version, let's say you want to design something for the mobile version, there are also pre-made template. And again, I repeat, I use 2021. So if you are using the lower version, maybe it might be different overview for your laptop. Okay, so this is 2021 overview. Let's say we want to create our own, own artboard. Okay, so how can we do this? On the, as you can see here, okay, on the right side, you'll see the first one is preset setting. Okay, from the preset setting, you can name it, you can take your own size, you can change the resolution, you can change the color mode, and you can change the background color as well. And the advanced setting is renamed same as it is. Okay. Okay, so the first thing is, let's say I want going to make first lesson. Okay, this is my document name. And the site always depends on your project. Let's say I want to design a poster design. I want to design a poster. So let's say I want to design a poster. Okay, let's say I want to design this one. So for me, I don't know the exact site. Okay, how can I get the site? So the first thing is you will get the site from your client, and the second thing is you can search on Adobe. Sorry, you can search on Google. So as you can see here, if I search poster size, Photoshop, then if I click all, you will get the site. There are lots of sites. Okay, if I search poster size, for Instagram. Let's say I want to design a poster for my Instagram account, so you will see the site. The first thing is you need to ask your client that, hey, please tell me about the site. If they have any site, you can get it. If they do not have any site, you can just search on Adobe. So search on Google, then you will get the site. As you can see here, it says 180 by 566. So you can type. As you can see here, first you need to select the pixel because we are taking the site in pixel. So you need to select the things pixel, okay, which is 180, 1090, and the height is 566. Then the next thing, which is most important, resolution. So whenever you are creating anything for website purpose, in that case you need to put 72 resolution, okay, for the website purpose. But if you are designing for the printing purpose, so in that case you need to put the resolution in 300. Okay, this is the important thing. And for the resolution purpose, whenever you put the 100 resolution, in that case you have to change the color mode to CMYK. Okay, so if you're entering the value 300 resolution, so in that case you need to change the color to CMYK. But if you're designing for website purpose, for posting purpose, in that case you need to change the color mode into RGB and you need to put the value 72. This is the important thing. And maximum time we are creating for any design and flyer for our website purpose. So in that case you need to select 72 and color mode RGB. If we are doing anything for our printing purpose, you need to change the value to 300 and CMYK color mode. This is the important thing. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Thank you for your response. Okay. Then you need to click create button. Okay. Once you click create, you will see this is the thing. Okay. So this is the first overview. As you can see here, this is your main workspace. This is your main workspace. It might be different on your computer because it depends on your the workspace setting. So if you click here, then if you click, as you can see, this is called essential, which is default. If I change to 3D, you will see defined workspace. It's changed. Okay. If I change workspace into painting, it will depend, as you can see here, different. So it depends on your workspace setting. And the another thing is you can create your own workspace. How can you do this? Okay. Let's say if I drag and drop this dependent to there, then you will see close icon. I'm talking about this one. If you click this one, it will be disappeared. Okay. You can also disappear the tool. As you can see, there is nothing. So how can you create your own workspace? The thing is you need to go window. Then first of all, if I click tools, it will be appeared. Okay. Let me close this one. Let me again go here. Then tools. Now it's appeared. Then if I drag and drop, here once is blink with a blue color. So if I release my mouse, it will be fixed. Let me do it again. There. And now it's blinking with blue color. Drag and drop, and it will be fixed there. This is the thing. So let's say I want to appear others panel, which is layers panels, colors panels, properties panels, and lots of things. If you want to appear this thing, you need a window. Then if I click properties panel will be appeared. Okay. So again, Windows, if I click layers, which is input layer panels, it will be appeared here. Let's say I want to combine the both panel. How can I do this? You need to drag and drop here. Once it's blinking in blue color, release your mouse. That's it. It's now in a group. Like this, drag and drop. Okay. So you can also appear lots of panel according to your work. Let's say I want to appear the style panel. So you can just do this. And under style panel, there are lots of sub panel. So you can do this. You can adjust this one. You can make group. You can separate this like this. Okay. Let's say I want to close all of them. For now, I just need layers panel and properties panel. And yeah. So let's say I want to fix this one in the right side. So it just need to go here. Once it's blinking it in blue color, then you just need to release your mouse. That's it. Okay. Then you may also, make it like this. This is the thing, guys, how you can create your own workspace. Do you understand, guys? For this web feature, for that is it. Yeah. Is it clear, guys? How to create your own workspace? Because, and if you're missing anything else, don't worry about it. I will upload the recorded lesson on my YouTube channel. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. So this is the thing, how you can create your own workspace. So for the next class, the assignment, there should be assignment for the next class. You need to download and install Adobe Photoshop on your computer or laptop. Then you need to create your own workspace that I already did. Then you need to take a screenshot, okay, then submit the screenshot in our classroom. Okay, I will create the assignment here. Okay, this one will be your next class assignment. Just download Adobe Photoshop and create your own workspace, then take a screenshot, then submit it into our classroom, Google Classroom. Okay, guys, do you understand the assignment? The next class assignment. Okay, that's good. That's good. I think this is for today because today is our orientation class, and that's it, guys. Do you have any question, guys, about the class, about the lesson? Any question, guys? Please let me know if you have any question. Any question, guys? Okay, that's nice. If you don't have any question, I think that's it for today. Yeah, and thank you everyone for joining today's class. I hope everyone will join my classes and you will get the certificate as well, and you will be okay. Oh yeah, sure. Please unmute yourself and let me know your question. Hello.
Yes, Sofa Muhammadi, please go ahead.
Hello for all of you. Hello, teacher. Sorry, teacher. Can you slowly in this lesson go to, because I don't know, but in this lesson is very a lot of fast.
Okay, thank you for your comment. Okay, I will try to do it slowly, and you can also watch my recorded lesson on YouTube, so you can also understand. Okay, Fahima, what is your question?
Yeah, it's same idea with her because it's your native language, but our English level is like intermediate. You speak very fast and very slow, very
Oh,
weak.
okay, okay.
For them, if you don't mind, can you speak like slow?
Okay, okay, I will. Okay, I will. I will practice it slowly. Okay. Thank you for your comment, guys. Yeah, Asma, you can lead the class. Okay, guys. Any other question? Okay, I think. Okay, Musa, what do you think? I think that's it for today.
Yes, I do. Thank you, everyone, for joining on time. And please make sure to download Adobe Photoshop before joining the next session. If you face any problem, please let us know. Thank you.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
Mr.
Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz, everyone, and good night.
Thank you. Have a great night, everyone.